How to draw the Google Photos logo in Adobe Illustrator. Firstly, create a circle, select Direct Selection tool and click Pen tool to add. Hold Shift and rotate. Select Direct Selection tool and round the corner. And select all, click Rotate tool and 90° copy and press Ctrl D and repeat. Select eyedropper and pick a color. And there we go.